Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to the heart of the Smithsonian. We're inside the National Air and Space Museum, surrounded by the greatest icons of aviation and space exploration. From the dawn of flight to the edge of the galaxy, there is so much to see in these galleries. I'm going to be taking you through some of the most incredible artifacts ever built. So let's get started and enjoy exploring this amazing place.
I didn't even get out of Iwo Jima. Right. Then they added engines to it.
Shift their weight beneath the wing by pushing and pulling the control wire open directly to the wing. Hold both arms out in front of you at a comfortable distance and pretend to grab the bar. Great. To bank or turn, the pilot moves the bar away from the direction of the turn. This is opposite what you do when piloting other types of aircraft. Now we try. Slide the bar to the left and watch how the track will break. As the wing gets to the right, it forces the track to the right.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.